we're back and the video just ended, so we're gonna cut here, but we can't cut it from here. You have to open it from here. It's so hard. And we can't cut this. It's super duper hard. And my daddy is already doing it. He got it! And he has to take out the shoes. Okay. They're golden. Look. They're golden. I'm going to put them on her. Okay, there's something wrong with this. It's connected. Okay, the hair's connected to the arms. That's, okay, that's good right now. All right. So this is her. She has earrings right there. I don't think you can see her. Right there, that's her. That's her crown. I don't think you can take it out. Oh yeah, I can take it out, but I don't want to take it out. That's her face. That's her bracelet. Oh, her bracelet fell off. We're gonna put it back. There we go. She has a long, pretty dress. We're gonna put her shoes on. Okay. Come on, can't see because her long dress. There we go. And almost done. Just gonna do this. Yep, there it is. Now you can do this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. She can walk with her shoes. They're so golden. Hold on, guys. Okay, hold on, just wait. There. So this is her. She's so pretty. She has this hair, like it looks like Jasmine's hair, but it's actually Elena's hair. So this is her earrings. You can actually move. Look at this. It's actually moving. You can actually move it. Look at that. It's connecting. And look at her long dress. It has an opening right here so it can be prettier. Wait, where is it? Oh, here. Here's the opening so it can be like pretty. Okay, this is her. She's so cute. She can have fun with my other dolls. Like this guy. I got this. Her hair is so soft. And her bracelet is right here. This is her bracelet. She has so cute flowers on her. She has a big bow. And that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Just click this red button and just click the bell next to it. And if you want to see some more videos of me opening more dolls, so